louder.
What's up everyone, and welcome back to Street and Track TV. Today I thought we'd try something just a little bit different, and we're attending a wet skid pan day at Mount Cotton thanks to Skid Control. If you've never done one of these before, they are honestly the most fun you can have with your pants on. Now today I'm driving and I've got Sarah on camera, so let's go out and tear up the bitumen, hey? Rob taught me the easy way to drift an Evo, and I'm going to teach you. First up, you want to lift off. That brings all the weight off the rear so you can actually turn the car. Second, you want to turn in. Make sure you're pointing in the direction of the corner. Third, you want to rip that handbrake really hard until you feel the wheels start to slide on you. Fourth, you want to jam that throttle. I mean, give it some proper jandle. And fifth, steer. And if you want to give it some extra points, try and link up some corners. Let's hit the track.
So here we go. Probably rusty as, but let's have some fun.
Oh, tank slide up. You are so violent with this car. There it goes. Get it! Get it!
I've worked up a spread. This handbrake needs...
Couldn't hit the thread. After all the mucking around out on track with Rob, I managed to find Dylan and lock him down for a chat about skid control.
Hey, my name is Dylan Cottill. I run Skid Control. We've been running it for just over a year now. I have over 10 years experience in motorsports and drifting, as well as professional driver training. I started Skid Control with a focus on providing an affordable avenue for people to come and have a bit of fun in their cars, as well as learning new skills. I had quite a bit of help in the beginning from various car clubs and individuals. And now we're quite big. We've grown and we've got over 12,000 Facebook likes, and we run 5 to 10 events a month. We offer quite a few different events, starting at skid pans and going to drifting. We also do track and rally with a fair few new events coming up. But the day is just focused on people coming out, having a good time, learning new skills. We offer free instruction as well. So it's just about having a really good time when they come out. So we also offer a couple of hire cars. The first one we have is this blue S15 here, which is a full competition drift spec car. And in the back there you'll see is a orange GT86, and that's a time attack car. We obviously plan on growing quite a bit. We're going to be offering a lot more different driving disciplines at various tracks, as well as the potential of opening our own venue somewhere in Queensland.
As you can see guys, the heavens have opened up and it is pissing down. So we're still going to take the car out and give it a go. I don't like our chances. It is fucking pissing down at the moment, and Rob can't see shit out the windscreen, but he's still driving like a madman. I can't see shit. I literally can't see anything. Sorry?
Round 2 of the program.
Well, there you have it, guys. Another awesome day out at the skid pan. Big shout out to Dylan from Skid Control for the invite. If you've never done one of these before, definitely check them out. They've got a Facebook page, a website. Check them out for their dates and events, and you won't regret it. It's so much fun. All right, guys, see you next episode.